Oh, hi everyone, it's Dave Godfrey here. It's lovely to see you and welcome to this assembly, the second of 3 assemblies on the theme of Sir Isaac Newton, the famous mathematician, and his saying he stands or stood on the shoulders of giants. Now he discovered loads of things about gravity, about light and colour, and about tides and comets. He was mad about space, he just loved space. So in fact, we're going to play a game show, and I've got my clicker, I'm ready to lead it, and the game show is called Shine. Here it is. So what's going to happen, this is all about the sun which is the star in our solar system. So I wonder how much you know or how much you can guess. So this is how it's going to work. I'm going to give you a question, and the question is going to have 3 possible answers: a blue answer, a red answer, and a yellow answer. You've got to guess which one you think is the correct answer. You get 10 points for each one you get correct. So let's have a go. We've got 5 questions. Here's question 1. What type of star is our sun? So it is a star, but what type is it? Is it a yellow supergiant? Is it a yellow pop star? Or is it a yellow dwarf? 10 seconds to find out. Go! Okay, I wonder which one you went for. Let's find out. It is a yellow dwarf. Okay, here's question number 2. Question 2 says this: how many Earths could you fit inside the sun? Because the Earth is a lot smaller than the sun, but how many Earths could you fit in it? Is it 101? Is it 1,000,001? Or is it 1,000,000,001? How many do you think? You've got 10 seconds to decide. Oh, I wonder what you've decided. Let's go for it. The answer is, it's 1,000,001. It's huge, our sun. Look, there it is. There's the Earth. Oh, just over there with Diddy Widdy. And actually, the sun is just massive and huge. Wow. Let's go for question 3. Shine question 3. The question is, how long does it take the sun to spin around once? Bit like, that's me spinning around once. But how long does it take the sun to spin round once? Is it 27 days? Is it 47 days? Or is it 67 days? How long do you think? 10 seconds to decide. Go! Oh, let's find out. It is, it's blue 27 days. Just a bit less than a month then. About once every month it spins around. Okay, question number 4 is this: how long does it take the light from the sun to reach the Earth? Gosh, it's a long, long way, isn't it? 150 million kilometres away. How long does it take the light to get from the sun to Earth? Because that's where we get our light from. Is it 8 seconds? Is it 8 minutes? Or is it 8 hours? 10 seconds to decide. Go! Oh, let's find out. I wonder what you've gone for. I wonder how many points you've got so far. It is red, 8 minutes, which is about the length of this video. Last question, question number 5. How hot is the centre of the sun? So another math. Have you noticed all the mathematical questions about our sun we've been exploring? Maths is everywhere, you know. Right, how hot is the centre of the sun? Is it 15,000 degrees Celsius? Remember, when we boil hot water, it's 100 degrees Celsius. That's really hot, far too hot for us to touch. We can hurt ourselves. But this is 15,000 degrees Celsius, or is it 15 million degrees Celsius, or is it 15 billion degrees Celsius? What do you think? 10 seconds to decide. Oh, I wonder what you've gone for in this final question. The answer is 15 million degrees Celsius. That's really hot. And you know something about our sun? It is an amazing ball of gas and heat and light. In fact, it is this. It is the perfect size, the perfect age, the perfect distance, the perfect temperature, and the perfect brightness for life to exist on a planet like Earth. Isn't that amazing?
Our sun is amazing. Right, I've got a question for you. What do you think is the most amazing thing about the whole of creation? It could be about space. It could be about our planet. Why don't you pause this video and have a think about that? What's the most amazing thing about creation? Well, here's what I think. I think space is just so huge. It's enormous. And at the same time, so beautiful. You know, there's a little bit in the Bible that says that God knows the name of every single star. And there's quadrillions, loads and loads and loads of them. It also makes me, when I think about space, feel quite small, quite humble. And that's been the theme of our assemblies, hasn't it? Sir Isaac Newton said he stood on the shoulders of giants. It was his way of saying, look, other people are helping me. I just want to be humble. The size of space makes me feel small and humble as well. In fact, we've got one more assembly to go in this little set of assemblies about humility and about shoulders of giants. Next time, I'm going to teach you a song. It goes, I stand on the shoulders of giants, and it's loads of fun. See you next time. Bye.